Hi, I'm Reverend Annie Chambers, and I'm a member of People's Power Assembly, of one of the groups that I continue to fight with, one of our fighting groups. And I'm talking about transportation right now for our school children, and especially our disability children who are going to school. There's a lot of problems with support for transportation in this country, period. But especially for our disability children, we should be able to have our children to be able to come to school, go to school, have transportation. We live in America, one of the richest countries in the world, but yet we cannot afford transportation for our children. We will stand together and fight for transportation for our children. It is very unfair that because your child have a disability that they are not allowed education. Because once you take away transportation, then these children have no way to get into school. The United States of America says that every child, every citizen in this country have a right to education. So we're saying, stand up and fight for education for your children. We are calling on the United States to make sure that our children do have transportation. We're talking about New York right now, but I'm also talking about all over this country. His children have been treated unfairly with education, and especially the school system. We demand that our children have education and be able to get into the school system, transportation system. We demand that you pay the drivers more so they will want the jobs. We demand better routes for the drivers. We demand better pickup time, and that the children will be treated fairly. So please stand with us in the fight for education. Thank you.